When Naomi rain praises on Ooni of Ile-Ife, Kabiyesi. My dear wonderful and amazing people, welcome to Lora'sTv channel. I greet you all. Mama Tadenikawo is a child of grace. She did not have any duplicates. She is a very kind-hearted and lovely woman that day. That's the reason why people love her so much. She don't used to discriminate at all. She carry everybody along with her. She is accommodatable. The news that get to us allegedly is that tell us that Mama Tade used praises scatter Kabiyesi head. Hey! To the extent of Kabiyesi begin the dance, my dear wonderful amazing people. To know a man's heart is very important. This shows that Mama Tadenikawo knows a way to Kabiyesi's heart. Hey, that's why people of Ile-Ife loves her so much. According to what we dey hear, that Queen Naomi went to an event with Kabiyesi. They gave her mic to greet people because na child naming ceremony they go. After greeting people, she began to rain praises on Kabiyesi. Hey, good wife, good oh. As this has shows that she really loved Kabiyesi so much. She honored Kabiyesi so much. She respects Kabiyesi so much. The main thing that makes people to love Mama Tade is she cannot use evil to do evil. She cannot use evil to pay evil. She can never pay you back with evil. After everything she passed through this short period, where she don't go back to palace, say make she spend some time with Kabiyesi. She don't wave am back. And Kabiyesi dey very happy because of the way she no carry those things wey happen for mind. And he dey surprised say, na my wife dey rain this kind of praises on me after everything she don pass through this short period. Hey! Ewe! As the news is reaching us, they said Mama Tade and Kabiyesi went for naming ceremony. One of Kabiyesi's closest friend. So na there they come give Mama Tade mic, make she come greet people and also pray for the newborn baby. My dear wonderful and amazing people. Mama Tade, the prophetess, begin to pray for the baby. She began to pray for the baby. If you see the kind powerful prayer, in pray for the child. And after that, as she come dey greet people, she come rain praises, began dey rain praises on Kabiyesi. She kneel down, dey rain praises to show that she honor her husband. she began dey rain praises, my dear wonderful and amazing people. Na so people come gather, come dey hug am, Hey! If you see the praises he said, Kábíyèsí o, the husband of my youth, a good man with a good heart. I go love my dear wonderful and amazing people, to marry a good wife is good. And una don see the reason why Kábíyèsí dey chook im head dey try say, Mama Tade, me and you. Mama Tade, me and you forever. Mama Tade, me and you forever. My dear and lovely people, na the news wey I carry come for una. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like for more updates. Bye.